Welcome to my channel once more. And always know that I appreciate the time you spend in learning one or two things on my channel. Still under substitution and evaluation, we have one question here that we used to be using to explain or to show how simple mathematics is. Now the question says, given that b is equals to 18 over 10k plus 64, find the value of b when k is equals to what? Minus 20. So when you see question like this in exam or test, what would you do? Very simple. All you need to do, since the value of k has been given to us, just substitute the value of k into the equation, and then the answer will just be looking at you. Now let's do that. So all I do now, just like what I said, I'm going to do that now. That would be equals to what? 18 over 10. The value of k is what? Minus 20. So minus 20 plus 64. So this is what? 10 here is 1, 10 here is what? 2. Leaving us what? 18 times minus 2 plus 64. Now 18 times 2, that is what? Minus 36. That is minus 36 plus 64. So minus 36 plus 64. This means if you want to break it down, what is the meaning of minus? Minus means you are owing, and plus means you have. You are owing someone 36 and you have 64. What will you do? You will pay back your 36 from the 64 that you have. And if you do that, what will be your answer? Now let me say this. As simple as this may be, please, it's not out of place for you to quickly do something, a kind of a rough check. Write it out. Like this is minus 36 plus 64, meaning take away 36 from 64. Even if you do this, do it and get your answer right. Don't just assume. This is what 4 take away what 6, or 4 minus 6, or 4 subtracted 6 from it. Is it possible? No. So what will you do? You borrow from here, you drop the R5. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6, that will give you what? 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6, that will give us what? 8. And then we have 5 here. 5 minus 3, that is what? 2. So our answer is what? 28 as our answer here. So that is it. It's not difficult at all. So whenever you see questions like this in exam, all you need to do, just substitute the value into the equation. Just do whatever that is required and the answer will be out. Is it difficult? Not difficult at all. Now, if you understood what I've just said now, I'll be leaving you with one simple question and I want you to try to solve that. Now, this time, find the value of x in x equals to 36y minus 10 if y is equals to minus 2. If you understood what I've explained in this video, I want you to try this question, solve it, and drop your answer in the comment section. Please, I'll be watching out to see how many of you that watch this video will actually do this. Try it and drop your answer in the comment section. I'm going to check it and get back to you. And for anybody that gets this correctly, there is a reward for it. Just do it and wait for the reward. Once again, thank you so much for listening. Joshua Okwe Online Math. Bye bye for now.